Well, it's time to break out the wellies again. I think many of us will be squelching around a bit over the next 2 or 3 days. Quite a bit of rain around, but towards the weekend it looks like we are going to see a return to those bright and sunny skies. I think it's mainly southwest Scotland, Northern Ireland, the northern half of England and Wales that are going to see the heaviest of the rain over the next 48 hours or so, so certainly the risk of some localised flooding. And here's the culprit. It's this Atlantic weather system, every little wriggle that runs along it, bringing a heavier pulse of rain, and it moves only ever so slowly southwards across England and Wales during Wednesday and Thursday. But if we zoom in a little bit closer, you can see it is beginning to make some progress towards the south by then. Still some heavy rain though across many parts of England and Wales. It's into Friday before this developing area of high pressure bumps that front out of the way and brings back those bright and sunny skies to most of us. It'll also turn a bit colder though. We lose the mild southwesterly winds. We start to pull in colder northerly winds, particularly during the latter part of the week. But you might notice towards the end of the sequence, those winds, even from the northwest, turning a warmer orange colour. Now that's because the air that's coming down to us by then has gone all the way around the high, starting off across the South Atlantic, going all the way around and coming back into us. So northwesterly wind isn't always a cold wind. Got a hot dry wind though building up to push out of Libya in the next couple of days. The Ghibli it's called. Haven't seen that one used for any car models, but those winds perhaps up to gale force across the central Med for a time, producing quite a bit of rain too. That'll be pushing up into southern Italy, across into Corsica and Sardinia as well. But for much of Central and Eastern Europe, it is going to stay dry and settled. Anything but settled though through this afternoon across Northern Ireland and Scotland. That rain gathering strength all the while, pushing in from the southwest. To the south of that, well, a little bit of patchy rain, quite cloudy too for much of England and Wales, but very mild, temperatures up around 10 or 11 degrees. And then through tonight we find that rain band moving ever so slowly southwards across many parts of northern England into the northern half of Wales by the end of the night. Quite mild here though, temperatures staying up to around 6 or 8 degrees. To the north, as skies clear, perhaps dipping to 2 across parts of Northern Ireland, central and eastern Scotland. It'll be a brighter day generally, I think, for Scotland and eventually Northern Ireland tomorrow. 1 or 2 wintry showers coming in across the northwest. A very wet day though across the northern half of England and Wales. That rain edging a bit further southwards during Thursday. Still some pretty heavy outbreaks, but as it starts to clear away, it might just turn a little bit wintry perhaps across parts of the South Pennines and across North Wales. Still some wintry showers perhaps around in the southeast on Friday, but most places by then becoming dry and sunny. That's it. Bye for now.